Take everything you know about Mother Nature.
So, are we all gonna die?
Yeah, we're all gonna die. Just not yet.
Combine it with everything you know
What are you still doing here?
You gonna arrest us, Sheriff?
about human nature.
Come on, give us a kiss.
Get out of here!
Mix in $3 million in cold, hard cash.
Stinks. Putting your ass on the line for somebody else's money.
Where the hell's the road?
It's there. Somewhere.
And water.
Hello! Hello! Everybody all right down there?
And you have the perfect recipe
Probably just see us better.
So we can't see it all.
for the perfect crime.
Turn down your lights!
Tom! Hey, Tom!
We just want the money! You guys,
Oh, God.
walk away! The clock is ticking!
Now, the trap has become a hunt.
We're dealing with a slippery one. Figures as long as he knows where the money is and we don't, we won't kill him.
The victim has become the suspect.
You took the money, didn't you?
Yeah, I hid it in the cemetery.
What the hell did you do that for?
I don't like to carry around that much cash, you know?
And as far as the money goes,
He could be thinking about keeping that money for himself.
it's up for grabs.
You believe him?
Read my lips. $3 million.
I won't have to save your life again.
Is it good or bad?
Pretty soon this water will be too deep for him to run in.
So what do we do now?
Just drive around until we run out of gas, huh?
They're looters, all right? We have to kill them.
You're the sheriff!
I'm the what?